So I'm at Desman Engineering today. Now, they recently purchased a Hwacheon vertical lathe from High-Tech. I spoke with Phil and asked him why they invested in this level of technology.
It's a vertical turning centre. It's 1350 swing, so it's an 1150 machine. Maximum diameter swings 1350, and it's a metre cubed, so it's a metre high. With this machine having live tooling, we're going to be doing work on it to save operations. So work that we've already got, we're going to be doing quicker and better. That part is taking about 5 operations to do on different machining centres and vertical borers. What this machine will do is cut the operations down by at least 2 ops, so it will take it down to 3 operations. We've actually had a extra bit added on to the machine, so where a normal machine's only got the 12 tools, which includes driven tools, we've had another carousel added on to give us an extra 12 tools, so we've actually got 24 tools.
Is there tight tolerances on what you do?
Very tight. Most of the turning tolerances are 2 thou. Some even go down less than that. The holes around the outside, they've actually all got a 2 thou tolerance in the depth and the X and Y position as well. So yeah, it's a very tight tolerance job.
And what are some of the differences between a horizontal lathe and a vertical lathe? Certainly in this instance when you're doing larger components.
All the weight's basically sitting down, so we've got a nice powerful chuck on it. It's a 55 kilowatt chuck that's going to spin, so that's a cutting power. All the weights get forcing down rather than horizontal, which is obviously all the weights hanging. Also, we won't have a problem with any of the swarf. It all falls down because of gravity straight out the machine.
What about the other Hwacheons that you've got? Is that the reason you purchased this one, because of those?
It is, yeah. The other Hwacheons that we have in the factory, we've had very good results, good, firm, sturdy machines. So we looked all over, all different, but footprint, everything just ticked the boxes for us.